Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The first book of Chronicles, chapter 3, verses 1 to 24:1. Now these were the sons of David, who were born to him in Hebron. The firstborn, Amnon, of Ahinoam the Jezreelitess. The second, Daniel, of Abigail the Carmelitess. The third, Absalom the son of Magasach, the daughter of Talmai king of Geshur. The fourth, Adnijah the son of Haggith. The fifth, Shephatiah of Abital. The sixth, Ithream by Eglah, his wife. 6 were born to him in Hebron, and he reigned there 7 years and 6 months. He reigned 33 years in Jerusalem. 5 and these were born to him in Jerusalem: Shimea, Shabab, Nathan, and Solomon. 4 by Bathshua the daughter of Amiel. 6 and Ebar, Elishama, Eliphaleh. 7 Naga, Nepheg, Japhiah. 8 Elishama, Eliada, and Eliphaleh. 9 all these were the sons of David, in addition to the sons of the concubines. And Tamar was their sister. 10 Solomon's son was Rehoboam, Abijah his son, Asa his son, Jehoshaphat his son. 11 Joram his son, Ahaziah his son, Joash his son. 12 Amaziah his son, Azariah his son, Jotham his son. 13 Ahaz his son, Hezekiah his son, Manasseh his son. 14 Amon his son, and Josiah his son. 15 the sons of Josiah: the firstborn Johanan, the second Jehoiakim, the third Zedekiah, and the fourth Shallum. 16 the sons of Jehoiakim: Jeconiah his son, and Zedekiah his son. 17 the sons of Jeconiah the captive: Shealtiel his son. 18 Malchiram, Pedaiah, Shenatzah, Jechemiah, Hoshama, and Nedabiah. 19 the sons of Pedaiah: Zerubbabel and Shimei. The sons of Zerubbabel: Meshullam and Hananiah, and Shelemith was their sister. 20 and Hashubah: Oel, Berechiah, Hasadiah, and Jushab-Hezed. 5 21 the sons of Hananiah: Pelatiah and Jeshiah. The sons of Rephaiah: the sons of Arnon, the sons of Obadiah, the sons of Shechaniah. 22 the son of Shechaniah: Shemaiah. The sons of Shemaiah: Haddash, Egal, Moriah, Neariah, and Shaphat. 6 23 the sons of Neariah: Elionai, Isaiah, and Azrikam. 3 24 the sons of Elionai: Hodaviah, Eliashib, Eliah, Akob, Yohanan, Deliah, and Anani. 7 Thank you so much for joining me in watching and learning about the first book of Chronicles, chapter 3, verses 1 to 24. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.